Have you ever been told that walking is the best exercise for your heart as you get older? Well, most heart surgeons now say there are better exercises that can offer even more benefits, and they may surprise you. While walking is certainly good for you, there are alternative exercises that can be even more effective in promoting heart health, boosting mobility, and improving overall well-being for seniors. In this video, we'll explore 6 unexpected exercises that can help keep your heart strong, your body active, and your mind sharp. These exercises don't require heavy equipment or intense workouts, and they can be done at your own pace, making them perfect for seniors who want to stay fit and healthy. Stick with me until the end, because these alternatives might just change the way you think about exercise for seniors. Let's get started. Number 1. Chair aerobics. One exercise that many heart surgeons recommend over walking for seniors is chair aerobics. This low-impact, heart-pumping workout can be done from the comfort of a chair, making it perfect for seniors who may have limited mobility or find it difficult to stand for long periods. Chair aerobics involves simple movements that raise your heart rate, improve circulation, and help maintain flexibility. It can be as simple as marching in place, seated leg lifts, or arm movements that mimic the action of walking, all while seated. Take a look at 2 seniors, Grace and Linda, both in their early 70s. Grace has been doing chair aerobics for a few months now, following a short daily routine. She's noticed improved blood flow, better balance, and a significant reduction in her joint pain. On the other hand, Linda, although still walking every day, feels limited by joint stiffness and fatigue. She has yet to explore other forms of exercise that could provide a more effective cardio workout. Grace, by incorporating chair aerobics into her routine, has been able to stay fit and active, avoiding the burnout that comes with longer walks. The beauty of chair aerobics lies in its adaptability. Whether you're in front of your TV or enjoying a quiet moment by the window, you can engage in this exercise without any special equipment. It's an easy way to work your heart, get your muscles moving, and avoid the strain that sometimes comes with walking. Plus, it's gentle on the knees and joints, which is perfect for seniors dealing with arthritis or other physical limitations. The key here is consistency. Just a few minutes each day can offer substantial benefits for your heart health and mobility. Number 2. Swimming or water aerobics. Another exercise that heart surgeons highly recommend for seniors is swimming or water aerobics. These exercises are excellent for cardiovascular health and joint mobility, and the best part, the water provides natural resistance, making the workout even more effective without putting strain on your joints. Swimming or water aerobics can help seniors stay fit by improving strength, flexibility, and overall endurance, all while being gentle on the body. For seniors who may find high-impact activities like running or even walking difficult, the buoyancy of water can provide the perfect solution. Let's take a look at James and Ethel. Both are in their mid-70s, but their approach to exercise is quite different. James is an avid swimmer, heading to the pool several times a week. He finds that swimming not only strengthens his heart, but also helps him maintain his weight, improves his lung capacity, and eases the tension in his muscles. Ethel, however, has been avoiding exercise because of joint pain. She used to walk regularly, but over time her knees started to bother her, and she didn't know where to turn for relief. After a visit to her doctor, Ethel was encouraged to try water aerobics. Since starting, she has felt less pain in her joints and her stamina has increased. The key difference between James and Ethel is that while James enjoys the freedom of swimming laps, Ethel has discovered the benefits of water-based exercises, which allow her to stay active without the impact of land-based movements. Water aerobics is a great way to get a full-body workout, focusing on all major muscle groups while minimizing the risk of injury. Plus, being in the water helps to regulate body temperature, so seniors can exercise comfortably without overheating, making it a perfect option for those hot summer months. Swimming also promotes good cardiovascular health, which is essential for preventing heart disease, the leading cause of death among seniors. If you have access to a pool, this could be a fantastic addition to your fitness routine. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 2 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Now, let's move forward. Number 3, resistance band training. Resistance band exercises are another highly recommended alternative to traditional walking, especially for seniors looking to improve heart health, muscle strength, and flexibility. These bands offer a low-impact yet highly effective way to engage in resistance training, which can be crucial for maintaining muscle mass and bone density as we age. Unlike free weights, which can be difficult to manage or even dangerous without proper technique, resistance bands are lightweight, portable, and versatile. With a variety of exercises available, they can help target different muscle groups, making them a great choice for a full-body workout that also benefits the cardiovascular system. Let's consider the experiences of George and Ruth, both 72 years old. George has incorporated resistance band training into his weekly routine. Every day he spends about 15-20 minutes performing simple exercises such as chest presses, leg extensions, and bicep curls. George has noticed significant improvements in his muscle tone, balance, and overall strength. Ruth, on the other hand, sticks to her daily walks, but as she's aged, she has started to lose strength and notice that she fatigues quicker. George, by including resistance bands in his routine, has been able to counteract some of the muscle loss that comes with aging, while Ruth, though still walking, hasn't been able to target her muscles in the same way. What makes resistance bands so effective is that they provide a consistent level of tension throughout the entire movement, which can lead to greater muscle engagement and more effective workouts. You don't need to worry about lifting heavy weights, and the bands can be adjusted to suit your fitness level. They are also gentle on the joints, making them a great option for seniors with arthritis or those recovering from an injury. Whether it's for improving balance, strengthening the upper body, or boosting overall fitness, resistance band training is a wonderful way to keep your heart healthy and your body strong. Number 4, Tai Chi. Tai Chi is an ancient Chinese martial art that has been gaining recognition as a low-impact exercise with significant benefits for heart health, balance, and mental well-being, especially for seniors. The slow, deliberate movements and deep breathing techniques help reduce stress, improve circulation, and enhance flexibility. One of the main advantages of Tai Chi is its focus on balance and coordination, which becomes increasingly important as we age. Many seniors experience a decline in balance, making them more susceptible to falls. But Tai Chi can help counteract that by improving stability, strength, and control. Consider the experiences of Mary and Fred, both 78 years old. Mary has been practicing Tai Chi for a few months and has noticed a remarkable improvement in her balance and posture. She feels more centered, less anxious, and has a greater sense of peace after each session. Fred, however, has been dealing with joint pain and stiffness and is more hesitant to try new exercises. While he continues to walk daily, he hasn't experienced the same level of improvement in his flexibility or balance that Mary has gained from Tai Chi. Mary's ability to practice Tai Chi regularly has helped her stay more active and confident, while Fred continues to struggle with his range of motion and occasional discomfort. Tai Chi is particularly beneficial for seniors because it focuses on controlled movements that gently strengthen the body without overexertion. The combination of physical movement and mindful breathing has been shown to lower blood pressure, improve circulation, and boost overall cardiovascular health. And the best part, it can be done in the comfort of your own home or in a group setting at a local class, making it a flexible and accessible exercise for people of all fitness levels. For seniors who are looking for a way to improve their heart health and stay active while minimizing strain on their joints, Tai Chi is an excellent choice. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 4 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Now, let's move forward. Number 5. Cycling on a stationary bike. Cycling on a stationary bike is a fantastic alternative to walking that provides a low-impact cardio workout. It's a great way for seniors to improve cardiovascular health, build endurance, and maintain mobility, all while minimizing strain on the joints. The smooth, controlled motion of cycling offers an effective way to strengthen the heart, burn calories, and improve overall fitness without the discomfort or risks that may come with walking on hard surfaces or uneven terrain. Take Jack and Barbara, both in their early 70s. Jack has been using a stationary bike for a few months now, and he loves how easy it is on his knees. He cycles for 20 minutes a day while watching his favorite shows, and he's noticed that his stamina has increased significantly. Jack no longer feels winded after climbing stairs, and his blood pressure has improved. Barbara, however, continues to walk every day, but has been dealing with some knee pain that's made her walks slower and shorter. She's heard about the benefits of stationary biking, but hasn't yet given it a try. Jack's experience shows that cycling is an effective, pain-free alternative to walking, especially for seniors with joint issues. One of the great things about a stationary bike is that it allows you to get a full-body cardio workout while staying seated. You can adjust the resistance to suit your fitness level and even incorporate intervals to boost your heart rate. If you're worried about balance or mobility, a stationary bike is the perfect solution because it allows you to work out while sitting in a safe, controlled environment. It's also a time-efficient exercise. Cycling can burn a significant number of calories in just a short amount of time, and it's an exercise you can do indoors, making it perfect for those days when going outside just isn't an option. Number 6. Interval training. Interval training is an incredibly effective way for seniors to improve heart health, boost stamina, and maintain fitness. And it's even been shown to be better than steady-state walking for some people. In interval training, you alternate between short bursts of higher intensity exercise and periods of lower intensity recovery. This style of exercise helps increase cardiovascular endurance and can help you burn more calories in less time. Plus, interval training doesn't need to be intense or long, and it can be easily tailored to suit any fitness level, making it an ideal option for seniors looking to get more from their exercise routine without overexerting themselves. Consider the experiences of Eleanor and Walter. Eleanor, who is 74, loves to incorporate short bursts of faster walking into her regular walks. She'll walk briskly for 30 seconds, followed by a slow recovery period, and then repeat that cycle for 20 minutes. This interval method has helped her improve her endurance and cardiovascular fitness while reducing the amount of time spent exercising. Walter, however, continues with his regular steady-paced walk, but he's noticed that while it keeps him active, it hasn't significantly increased his stamina. Walter might benefit from incorporating some interval training into his walks. which would challenge his heart and muscles in new ways and help him see greater improvements. Interval training is incredibly versatile. You don't have to go to a gym or have fancy equipment to get started. You can do it with walking, cycling, swimming, or even chair aerobics. Just increase the intensity for short bursts, followed by a slower pace for recovery. This method helps improve your cardiovascular fitness in a way that's more efficient than traditional steady-state cardio while still being low impact and accessible. Plus, research has shown that interval training can help lower blood pressure, improve blood sugar control, and even enhance brain function, all important factors for seniors looking to maintain their health and independence. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 6 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Now, let's move forward. Final thoughts. Now that we've covered 6 unexpected exercises for seniors that can improve heart health, boost stamina, and keep you active, it's clear that you don't have to rely on walking alone. While walking is a great option, there are other exercises that can offer even more benefits by providing a full-body workout, challenging your heart, and improving overall fitness without putting unnecessary strain on your joints. Whether it's chair aerobics, swimming, or interval training, these exercises are designed to be adaptable, safe, and effective for seniors of all fitness levels. The key takeaway here is that staying active doesn't have to mean following the same old routines, and you don't need to limit yourself to walking to maintain heart health. These exercises allow you to engage different muscle groups, improve flexibility, and challenge your cardiovascular system, all while keeping things fun and varied. No matter your age or fitness level, you can find exercises that work for you. By integrating these exercises into your daily routine, you'll not only help maintain your heart health, but also keep your body strong, flexible, and full of energy. It's important to remember that it's never too late to start incorporating new exercises into your life. Even small changes can have a big impact on your long-term health. So whether you choose to swim, try resistance band exercises, or simply add a few minutes of interval training to your daily walks, know that you are taking steps toward a healthier, more active future. Thank you for joining us today. We'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and share one thing you learned today and how you plan to use it in your life. Your thoughts are important to us, so don't hesitate to share them. Reading your comments gives us great motivation and encouragement. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.